Hello everyone. Maybe you noticed, but Tucano Urbano updated Termoscud for Burgman 400 some time ago. It's not a Termoscud Pro, which is separate model, but R159X, which is update to original R159 leg cover. I dropped a video on mounting of first version of leg cover. If you missed it, you can check a link in the video description, as well as video about how to fix air chambers, which was a weak point of previous model. So let's jump and check what Tucano Urbano brought us with updated Termoscud. Let's start from the back. Termoscud comes in nice bag, but now without shoulder strap. So easy storing, but it will be harder to move back around. We have additional smart holder system for phone mount accessory, which is sold separately. In my opinion, it's useless as the mounting position is too low under handlebar. Termoscud has same superb material called Hydroscud, which protects rider from rain and even snow. Also, we have here updated design of chamber nipples, so you can more easily inflate them using your mouse. Same anti-scratch stickers for scooter bodywork and rubber kind of tool for inflating chambers without touching red nipples with your mouse. You can operate nipples both with hands and using provided tool. Internals are still plush and warm. Warm as belly of a cat, which you really appreciate in the cold weather. And lastly, we come into the weakest point of the original Termoscud design. Inflatable chamber pockets have a different shape than chambers itself. Maybe you wonder if it's fixed here? Yep. We have same poorly engineered design here, where you will get leakages almost immediately. Tucano Urbano says that chamber material was updated and now stronger, but mine started leaking on a second day, so grab a patch for fixing. To summarize, Termoscud received minor updates with slightly different visual design, phone mount, nipple redesign, but main issue remained unfixed: really weak chambers. Also, side material is hard to mount to plastic, so avoid gaps for the cold wind. I was hoping that Tucano Urbano will release Termoscud Pro for Burgman, but it released only for models 2017 and newer, so for my previous gen and hugely popular Burgman, looks like it will be never released. So that's it. If you have any questions, please drop them in a comment section. Thank you for watching. Bye!